Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the new bank statement import module. This will allow you to import any CSV or comma delimited bank statement file and make it easier to allocate payments against debtors and creditors. So I've opened my bank statement import here, and what we're going to do is we're going to import a file. Based on your bank and your file requirements, we would set up a format for you. I've already set up an FMB format for myself. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to select the file that I'm going to import. Once imported, you can see it's allocated my income over here. I didn't have any expenses in this file per se. Let me just show you quickly what the file looked like. This is the file as it came from the bank. And what we can do now is we can select the data that we want to allocate payments to. It obviously helps if your customers put a reference on that you can type back to a customer. So in this case, ORH002, like customer, which is that one there, and ORH001, which is that customer there. So just for demonstration purposes, I've set up this customer as an open item account and this customer as a balance brought forward account. As you can see on the balance brought forward account, it already allocates the payment amount to the customer. In the case of an open item account, though, we do need to allocate that value to a specific transaction. So here are the list of outstanding transactions. You can see the original amount, the transaction balance, and what we're going to now do is allocate that 2,000 Rand to a specific transaction. So in this case, I'm going to allocate it to the last transaction there. You can see I can also reset and set allocation equal to outstanding. Obviously, this thing is out of balance. So I'm just going to make that 2,000 Rand. Another handy feature, if you continue to be doing this over and over again, is to create rules. So for instance, what I can do is right click on here and say add as rule, click OK. Now what I can say here is any reference number that contains this string, let's not make an exact match, I want it to then allocate it to that account. And I can then do the same for the bottom one. So add as rule. I don't want an exact match because they might have different references in there. And that's it. So let me show you what's going to do. I'm just going to clear this import quickly and re-import. And once I re-import, you can see it's already allocated the account that I need to. So all I'm going to have to do now is allocate my money to the correct account. And once I'm ready, I'll click post, and it will post these payments directly against an account. So let me show you what it will do. I'm going to click post. Once posted, I can actually then show you what it has done on the customer itself. Okay, so just going back to my customer inquiry, as you can see, there's my account payment as imported from my bank statement. If I go to the other account, likewise, and you'll see that it's actually allocated to that specific transaction, much like it would have done had you done a manual open item payment. I hope this helps. There'll be more to come regarding the expenses side of things.